Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I was like, shit, you need to take a picture. I was like, oh, fuck it, I'm down.
That's what I was telling Chase. I need to get my phone out. He just did it too. The front tires that high off the ground. Yeah.
Hold it.
What? Oh, I got it. He's got it. He can go.
You run a video?
Yeah. You're good. Go ahead.
You're hell. That's what's going to happen.
Punch it.
Did you get the video or did you get it?
You saw video.